Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel. Today we prepared another epic and entertaining episode full of all sorts of road moments caught on driver's dashcam. All these clips are for educational purposes only and hopefully you can learn something from them as well. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. Cameron was driving a bit under the speed limit because he's tired, but check out another driver who passed him. This guy was moving at an incredible speed. We have a thief in action here. This crazy guy broke into a car in broad daylight and took something. Check this out. Pay close attention at the box truck in front of the camera. He was distracted and ended up off the road completely. I don't know if it was because he was using a phone or not, but it's best for everyone to keep a safe distance from drivers like that. Driver took the exit at the last possible second and endangered not only himself but other drivers around him as well.
Sponsored by Pfizer.
I don't even know where to start with this driver here. He was so impatient that he resorted to swerving in between other vehicles and running a red light. Safety should come before impatience, people, but he thinks otherwise. There is a reason we have traffic signs, stop sign in particular. When you encounter that sign, you're supposed to stop without question, but some drivers think they are smarter than the rest, which results making a mess open the road.
So they would always be a part of him. Ashok Bedi is totally correct, however, in saying there was no obvious...
Ashok Bedi is totally correct, however, in saying there was no
obvious touchstone in Dahm's past that can be pointed to as the event.
And with this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one and perhaps you even learn a thing or two on proper traffic behavior. If you support this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps us grow. Until the next one, drive safe and eyes wide open.